The NPP candidate for Shillong Lok Sabha seat and Cabinet Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh rejected the perception that an election drives a wedge between coalition partners. The NPP, she claimed, has always believed in taking allies along. Lyngdoh said it is not unusual in a democracy for two parties to blow hot and cold. She said the NPP was attacked below the belt, but we rose above it, and the Chief Minister reached out to all political parties to form the coalition. According to her, they will be back on the same platform working together for the benefit of the people after the Lok Sabha electioneering.
Coalition partners and that relationships get severed, and that there is this feeling of which doesn't get resolved because of the very engagement of elections. I think that this is something which is typical in a democracy.
Thank you so much.
There will always be these reservations that political parties have about each other prior to an election. But the NPP has always showed the way. You must have seen the backlash that we faced in the 2023 election was very, very painful and very much below the belt.